real milk coming out of there?
Yeah, can you do it? Try and do it.
I'm going to let you milk the cow while I watch Sloane go.
Mom, it's easy.
It is easy. Well, that's great. I'm going to watch Sloane go down the slide here and make sure she goes down safely while you can milk the cow. Oh, you're stuck. Sloane, go down the slide, honey. Sloane, you're trying to go down the wrong side. Turn around, Sloane. You're missing the slide, baby. There you go. Good girl. Woohoo! Good girl. You want to do it again? Let's go find Jaeger milking the cow. Good job. This way. I know that gate. No. Gate should be closed. There we go. Okay, go find Jaeger. He's milking the cow.
Oh, hey Sam, come here a second. I want to show you a sign to drink.
Are you getting more milk?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Jaeger.
Yeah. So try and do that. So try and squeeze it. Watch this. When I do this, watch. Water comes out. It's milk. See?
Isn't that cool?
You gonna do that? Can you
What does a cow say?
Moo.
Moo.
Here's
Moo. Good girl.
Here's another cow over here.
Oh.
Since I take very good care of it. And guys, do you want to pet the little sheep and are nice?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's feel the sheep. They're nice and fuzzy.
Nice and fuzzy.